Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So in this video today, I'm going to be decorating my cozy corner. So come on with me, guys. All right, so I just got through taking everything down except for that tier tray in the back. And that's because I just had that done and put it there. I'm wiping everything down and then we're going to go ahead and decorate. All right, so this video is a part of a collaboration called Cozy Corner or Vignettes, and that's being hosted by myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. The theme is Fall Apple Cider. Now, I do have some co-hosts, so let me go ahead and mention them. I have Design with Emma, Debbie Bubbles, Z9 Design, IB Doll, Deborah Cabasa Home Living, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, Barbie Daly Rule Life in the Valley, and Annalise Cupboard. So this is a beautiful tray that I thrifted at the Goodwill. So the stand is black metal, but that top plate is amber. It is gorgeous. So we're gonna go ahead and place some pumpkin cookies on here and then continue. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Now, as in all collaborations, we always practice YouTube etiquette. Remember to click the like button and link below in your description box the host, the name of the collaboration, and all of the co-hosts. We always follow that by leaving an encouraging comment, clicking the like button, and subscribing to the channel if you're not already subscribed. All right, now this beautiful pear teapot. I never seen anything like it. I thrifted it, and as soon as I saw it, I knew I had to have it. So we're going to place that there. That's probably going to be the eye catcher in this video. Now, I didn't remember that last year I purchased this pumpkin candy machine. It's made of glass. And so what I did was I took the candy out of it and I placed some tea bags in it. Now remember that the theme of the collaboration is fall apple cider. So some people like to have the apple cider warm and then other people like to have it sparkling. I have one sparkling because I'm the only one that drinks it here for the video purposes. And my son, if he's gonna have tea, he's gonna have it warm. Now, those beautiful pumpkin mugs, I do believe that I got those at Walmart. And I always have to use that little house. I don't know why. I just love it. And always have to incorporate the birds, guys, always. Now, in this cozy corner, we are incorporating some hot coffee because that's what I'm having. And I'll probably have the sparkling cider a little bit later, but we want to make sure that we have both things going, the tea and the coffee. So I love adding those lights to the tier tray. I think it came out absolutely beautiful. All right, so I am lighting the candle, so you know what that means. We're heading on over to the reveal. Okay, so before I continue here, I just want to let you know that I will be coming on live very shortly with the calendar of collaborations for October, which I am very excited about. So don't forget to look out for it. So I think that my cozy corner turned out absolutely beautiful, and I hope you agree. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.